Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's Sunday, it's beautiful out, it's very sunny, it's about 70 degrees. And I did film a video here once before. This is Bender Park in Oak Creek. Last time I filmed out here it was very foggy. So I don't know if... I'm trying to block out the... it's very windy, there's got some wind coming off the lake over here. Since it's a more sunny, clear day, I wanted to try to make another video. Show you guys about the park I like to walk the dog at. I don't know if it feels very windy in my face. I don't know if it's affecting the microphone. There's the boat launch. There's Lake Michigan. Two smokestacks in the background over here. That's the Oak Creek Power Plant. And then you have some woods over here. A little wildflower field. I really hope the wind is not affecting the microphone because I know it's hard to hear on those videos. There's Hannah. It's right around noon right now, so I doubt that we'll see any deer. I'm sure they're all hunkered down in the woods by now. But I can't believe how nice it is out here today. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll take a walk down. At the end of the video, I'll take a walk down and give you guys like a little tour of the marina on foot. It's nothing special, just take a walk and show you guys around down there a little bit. I have not been out fishing yet this year. But from what I hear, talking to some guys at work this past week, they've been catching a lot of trout and king salmon out on the lake. I used to come walking out here years before they had the boat launch out here. There used to be packs of wild coyotes that roamed around out here. I think they're still out here, but just not as they're not as visible as they used to be. They tend to stay hidden more now. They used to just kind of roam around out here before a lot of people came. This was their territory. People start coming out here more often. Pushes them into the woods or just a little bit further away, I guess. Hannah loves it out here. She gets a lot of exercise. And I get a lot of exercise just trying to keep up with her. Sorry about the bouncy picture. I'm trying to keep it as stable as possible. It looks like it's pretty bouncy on my end here when I'm walking, looking at the picture. But hopefully that YouTube feature where they stabilize the picture, maybe that'll clean it up a little bit, hopefully. So hope you guys are having a good weekend. Enjoying the nice weather. Hope it's nice where you guys are at. Thinking about getting the grill out later and grilling up some brats and burgers maybe. Kind of hungry right now, so that sounds like a great idea. Somebody coming in. Hopefully they had a nice fishing day. You know, they say even the worst fishing day is better than the best work day, so even though it is Sunday, most people are off, but I'd rather get skunked fishing than have a great work day. It's really nice out here. It's one of my favorite places to go. I really, when I'm stressed out or I got a bunch of stuff on my mind, I like to come out here. This is my reset button. I just come out here and clear my mind, shake off all the stress. See, there's a jetliner up there. We're only about 20 miles from the Milwaukee airport, so we're probably going to hear a lot of airplanes, jetliners and all that stuff. But yeah, like I was saying, I like to come out here and just get a fresh start for the week. Clear my mind, get all the stress off. It doesn't last long, but at least for a moment it helps out. This is the first abandoned road. I showed you guys this once before. This is Fitzsimmons Road. This is the end of the road here. Drops off to a cliff down here. There's the old power plant. Just kind of continues up this way. I'm not going to go much further down. I just wanted to show you guys what the road looked like. And it's getting eaten up by nature pretty quickly. So I don't know how long it's going to be here. I'm so old. I have memories of driving on that road, and it hasn't been in existence for 20 years now already. Or at least you weren't able to drive on it for the last 20 years is what I meant to say. Lots of green vegetation. It's very colorful out here today. Love this time of year. I love the fall too though, and even when the colors change it looks really nice. A couple weeks ago I took Hannah out here and there were some ladies picking wild berries. Thought that was kind of unusual. I mean, it's cool, but I don't think I'd eat anything wild out here. I don't know enough about it. There was strawberries and other kinds of boysenberries or something. Next week is 4th of July already, which is cool because I only have a 4-day work week I just got back to work. Last week was my first week, and already I have a vacation day coming up, so that's pretty cool. Short weeks are nice. They're giving us off Friday the 3rd with pay, and then we're off Saturday, Sunday. So that's cool. I don't really have anything planned for the 4th, but it's just nice to be off, I guess. Let me know what you guys have planned. Comment below and tell me some of your plans for the 4th of July weekend. I'd like to hear from you guys. For me, probably just maybe have a couple beers and grill out a little bit. Just enjoy some time with the family. It's about it. No traveling or anything. Not this year. Maybe we'll check out the parade. Maybe see the fireworks. It's always a good time. There's some people coming up, so I'm going to have to pause it for now. These puppies. Hello. Just give you guys another little view of the lake over here. I always feel kind of funny when I'm recording and people look at me. I'm sitting here talking to the camera and they were looking at me like, what the hell? I guess it's not the end of the world. Hannah, get away. Really nice over here. There is a little bit of a wind coming off the lake though, which doesn't bother me. But I just don't know if it's affecting the microphone. I do have my daughter with me too, and a friend of mine, and they both don't want to be on the camera, so I got to be careful how I angle this. But Hannah doesn't care. Okay guys, I think I'm going to pause it for now, and then I think I'll pick up when I'm down below, kind of show you guys the boat launch and take a walk down the pier, and then I'll give you guys a little viewing of a historical landmarker that we have over here. There was a ship that sunk 2 miles offshore, and then there's a little write-up about it down there. I'll show you guys that piece, and then after that we will close the video out. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with you guys in a couple minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is some footage of Oakwood Road. We are heading east toward the lake. Just thought it looks pretty nice today. It's pretty bright, so I thought I'd get some footage. It's probably pretty clear today for you guys to see it. And this was once a regular road with 2 lanes. And now it's just reduced to almost about the width of a sidewalk because nature claimed it. Nature reclaimed it. You can see they added some of these little safety bumps later in the years, probably in the 80s or 90s, early 90s maybe, because I know about it had to be late 80s because they shut this road down in the early 90s. This road here is supposed to be one of Wisconsin's most haunted places due to the traffic deaths of people driving and plunging over the cliff over here. I know maybe to some of you guys out there this doesn't seem like much. You know, it's just probably pretty boring to most of you. But I have a connection with this place. It's hard to explain. I just think it cleanses my soul, really. As fishy, or as not fishy, but as corny as that sounds, I don't know, I just have a very peaceful feeling out here. It's going to start getting breezy again because we're right near the lake, so I'll try not to talk too much because it's probably just going to be distorted from the wind. Anna, don't go too far. Okay, come on. Come on. Jeez, scares the hell out of me when she does that. It's my own fault for going so close. So I'm gonna turn around, guys. I'm gonna pause it right here, and I will catch up with you. Next time I see you guys, we're gonna be right over where that break wall is right there. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the lower level. So it'll be like 1 second for you guys, but it's gonna probably be about 20, 30 minutes for me. So I'll see you in 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know how well we're gonna be able to make this out. But this is one of Wisconsin's Maritime Trail's historic shipwrecks. It was a schooner lumberman carrying lumber, and let's see, sank in 1892, 60 feet of water, and I believe it was, I'll zoom in if you guys want to read this. You can pause it. First I'll start up here with the trail there, or the title. And here is the little write-up about it. I'm not going to read it off for you. It says 4 miles offshore, so it's 4 miles directly this way. Take a little walk out there and show you guys. It's a father and son fishing over here. It feels really windy. I hope it's not affecting the microphone. Over here you got a little beach area where people swim. A couple of guys over here on jet skis. And you got Old Glory waving up there. Doesn't that give you the chills to see that flag flying like that? It's a beautiful sight. This is just 4 miles right in this direction, 4 miles back. It's just one of many hundreds or thousands of shipwrecks in this lake. That's the closest one to this point here. Let's see the skyline. Let's see. There's a couple of different boat launch lanes over here. And this really is a beautiful lake. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I left my daughter and the dog in the car, and the air conditioning's running. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little viewing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave any comments below. And let me know what you guys have planned for the 4th next weekend. And give it a thumbs up if you like it, all that stuff. And if you haven't subbed, please do. I'll sub you back. And thanks guys for watching, and talk to you next time.